Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to look at a little flashback to 2008, having a little bit of fun welcoming all the first-timers. And this will be part 2 where we pull a prank on one of our officers, so stay tuned for some more fun. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now let me set this clip up for you. What we're doing here is Luann and I are picking names out of a box and we're drawing for door prizes. Unbeknownst to the last person in the list of door prizes is going to be Garner Rice. Now, Garner Rice brings a ton of door prizes every year. Matter of fact, in Cody in 1998, I told him to bring me a baggage door. And then I made the joke at convention of holding it up and going, you got to be careful what you tell Garner you want. I told him I needed a door prize. Look what he sent me, a baggage door. So as another practical joke in the long series that Garner and I have played on each other over the years, he's winning a door prize today. What he doesn't know is it's a motorcycle. It's a Yamaha 550 Nighthawk. Now, Garner used to ride a motorcycle many years ago, and then he had a motorcycle accident and screwed up his ankle. It's still not quite right today, but it is mobile, and he doesn't ride a bike because he promised Minnie that he would never do that again. Well, it took us a year, but we were able to get Minnie to think about this, and then as a door prize in 2008, we gave Garner Rice his very own motorcycle. He loves it, and he rides it around to this day, so stay tuned for the fun.
Now we have to open it up here. So we're all on you. One out for me, Garner. Now, the fire guy will film might be set for retirement. Every year send me a check for
Yes,
can we bring the lights up just a little bit? No, we're not going to go off. Is it ticking? I can't imagine how much fun you used at Christmas. I didn't wrap it that good. Come on, Garner. You're playing this for all the value intended. Now, all the stuff that you send us, there is some simply required. What is that? Well, Santa Claus couldn't make it to Texas this year, so he asked me to please bring your new motorcycle at the back of the hall.
Yeah, right.
I know you want one. And you wouldn't even look up to your taxes. I did it fair and square. Make right in your instructions, my mind.
You got to wait home now,
And as you can see from all the applause and standing applause that Garner gets anytime Garner gets an award, it just goes to show you how popular he is and was back in the day. One of the staples that held these organizations up. So ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. I hope it gave you a chuckle, and we've got one more for you in another video. So thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Freckles, our cat supervisor, and we'd like to introduce the new cats to you. We have Hopscotch there on the left. The other small ginger is Tarzan. He came with that name, and his sister will be popping up in just a second, and her name is Sweet Pea. These are the new cats that we've adopted into our home. It's going to be a nice little family, and we're having a ball. Thanks for watching.